We will guide you through how to change QR code color in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop, open the image containing the QR code you want to recolor, then allow it to appear completely on the canvas. Check that the QR code is clear, sharp, and high quality, because blurry or damaged squares may prevent a scanner from reading it correctly. In the Layers panel, make sure the padlock has been removed from the background layer, clicking the lock icon if necessary so the image can be edited. Go to Image on the top menu to access Photoshop's image editing commands. Select Adjustments to reveal the available color and tone controls. Click Replace Color to open the window used for sampling and changing an existing color. Select the eyedropper tool inside that window so you can identify the color that should be replaced. Click the main dark color of the QR code, choosing a solid area within its pattern rather than the light background. Adjust the fuzziness slider gradually until the complete dark QR pattern appears selected, taking care not to include the surrounding background. Move the hue slider slowly to choose a new color, watching the preview as the selected pattern changes. Adjust the saturation slider if needed to make the replacement color stronger or softer while keeping the pattern easy to distinguish. Adjust the lightness slider carefully and preserve strong contrast between the QR code and its background, avoiding a result that is too pale for reliable scanning. When the new color looks clear, click OK to apply the replacement and close the window. Save the editable project or export the recolored QR code in a high-quality image format without reducing its clarity. Finally, test the exported code with a phone or QR scanner, confirming that it opens the correct destination and still works from a practical viewing distance.